I'm Arjun. I'm 16 years old. I'm in the 11th grade. I'm in Shivnada School, Gurgaon. Right now, I'm working with three of my friends on the empowerment of underprivileged women.
Hi, I'm Shanaya. I'm 12 years old. I'm in sixth grade. I live in Bangalore, Karnataka, and I go to Neve Academy. And I'm the owner of a clothing business, Aesthetique.
So, our project deals with educating and bringing awareness about uh, women's equality, women's issues, and sexual assault issues like that with underprivileged women and women in the socially and economically backwards areas. So, my friends and I were working on spreading awareness and making women realize their rights, and we're also working towards equality. Almost every day, we hear about these horrible acts being committed against innocent women. And even though the perpetrators do get persecuted, the frequency of these occurrences they don't seem to be diminishing. So this proves that significant and novel action must be taken to finally put an end to this. And this is exactly what ignited our passion to inspire change. We didn't want to just sit around wasting our time waiting for someone else to do something. So we decided to finally create the change that everyone talks about.
It's basically a clothing brand that sells apparel for teenage girls mainly, but it's for anyone who wants it. And it comes in multiple cuts, sizes, and colors. And it makes the options much larger for this age group. My teammates and I were discussing, and we thought that whenever we went shopping, whenever we went to the girls section, we couldn't find stuff that we really wanted because the designs were super pink or like very feminine. But then again, when we did find stuff we wanted, which is in the guys section, the designs were perfect, but the cuts and the type of clothing that we wanted did not happen because obviously they didn't have crop tops in the guys section. So we decided that we do gender neutral colors and designs with cuts and types of clothing that we like as well and that we want. And we did a survey and we figured all of this out. I feel strongly about the project is because whenever I go shopping, I can't find stuff that I want. Because when I see something, a design that's really good, it's pink, or a cut that's really good, it's purple. And then I go to the guys section and I find like designs that I really like. But then because of there's a body difference, like different types of bodies for girls and guys. So then it's a little loose for me, or the shoulders a little broader than what mine are. So that makes it very tough for me to find clothing. So it's a personal connect. On one of our hoodies, it's a crop top, it's a blue one that has a design made by my teammate. And it's basically super comfy. It's made of cotton.
So it taught me several things. Firstly, it taught me how to focus my attention and dive deep into one single problem. Since we start with brainstorming, we start with a wide range of possibilities, and narrowing down and concentrating on a few problems became very important. Along with that, I learned how to truly understand what is happening around me and perceive and grasp everything that's happening. In order to develop a solution for our problem statement, we needed extensive knowledge about the external stakeholders and existing products pertaining to our problems. And since finding a solution required a lot of external support, I also learned to communicate effectively with different types of people. So, not everyone we interacted with communicated in the same way. So, we also learned to adapt to diverse styles of communication. Then, as a whole, my project gave me a strong sense of purpose because with through this, I'm working on something that's larger than myself, and it has the potential to change the lives of several people. And since it's a problem I'm passionate about, working on it genuinely makes me happy. And lastly, it's also helped greatly in the college, and it's going to help in my college admissions process. And as it has created this wonderful story, I can talk about in my SOP.
Racetabile helped us to guide us in the right direction, and they helped us not to get confused because they have more experience. They would be able to tell us what to do and what not to do, and they have obviously more knowledge because they're adults. And they basically helped us figure out what we wanted to do, who our target audience is, what product we should start with, how to market our business, and then how to grow it eventually.
So I think my message that I would like to communicate is short and sweet, that pursue what you truly care about.
If you have a dream, you should probably make it a reality, because you're going to enjoy it. Because if you don't make it a reality, all your life, you're going to be like, what if I did this? Because I'm really enjoying like creating and marketing this.